I decided it was finally time to do something about my hair. It looks fine in the video, but under different lighting, it has like these yellow and green tints that I really don't like. So first, I picked up the Shaking Pudding hair dye in the color Smoky Ash Lavender, because I hope the color would be strong enough to cover up the tints. You open it like so, to reveal a bunch of things. There are gloves, mystery item number 1, mystery item number 2, conditioner, directions, and a tub with 2 solutions inside. You have to pour both and it'll look like this. Now it's time to shake and shake and shake until it reaches a pudding-like consistency, which will change color. Finally, it's time. On goes the gloves. Then opening mystery item number 1, which is a cape, and it even has a little sticky part to help secure it around your neck. Mystery item number 2 are ear covers, which are awesome. Like when I was a kid, I had to put Vaseline on my ears to keep dye from sticking there. With the ear covers and cape, I kind of felt like an elf. I don't know. When I dyed my hair, I was being an idiot and it got on my neck, but it's fine. My head wasn't burning or itching, which is a plus. You have to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and then you're finished. Now, this dye didn't seem to do all that much. I've actually put it on before on blonde parts of my hair back in the day, and it worked nicely, so I was kind of disappointed. Then I found it in different lighting that my hair looked pretty awful and like this grayish green color. So that night I went in with the big guns. This is the Pop Devil Color Treatment Ampoule in pink, and I hope that this would be the answer to my prayers. Look how pink it is. So let's give this one a go. You are only supposed to leave it on for 5 up to 15 minutes after shampooing and towel drying your hair. There were some spots that looked more intensely pink, and I think those are the areas that the pudding hair dye had lightened my roots, or you know, the undyed parts of my hair. The results are a nice warm brown without any green or yellow. That's even more apparent in the daytime. I tried to compare the smoking pudding clip to the Pop Devil one, but in the video there's not much difference. In the photos, however, you can see that the gray, green, whatever is gone and has been replaced with a nice pinky brown. And that is the end of my video. If you found this video at all entertaining and or informative, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any other products you'd like me to try so I can try them out instead of you. And I hope you have a wonderful day, night, evening, or whatever time it is where you are, and I will catch you guys later. Bye bye!